I'm going to talk a little bit about fixing a underground feeder, sprinkler feeder pipe, which has a leak in it. Uh, they're not always underground, which will make it easier, but mine was underground. And I just used this rain drip product. It's an adapter. It's very simple. You just cut out the leak, leave about an inch or so gap. You push this on as far as you can get it on there, and then you leave these coupler ends in place until you're ready to screw them down on the feeder pipe, and you screw them down. The only tools I used was something to cut the pipe, and then use this to lock it down tight. So that's all there is to it. My repair in the ground looks like this. It's got water running through it right now. It's fixed. Easy peasy.